We're here today to show you how you can get free solar panels. Yes, you heard that right, free solar panels. Okay, so you're probably thinking it's too good to be true. Well, I can assure you it is true. You can get solar air source heat pumps, cavity wall insulation, external wall insulation, and other measures. The catch is the qualification. So how do you qualify? So the first qualification is your EPC rating. It has to be D or lower. The next qualification step is how your home is heated. If it's heated by mains gas, you're probably not going to qualify. You may do in the future, but currently it has to be electric only heating for your house. So electric storage heaters, electric boilers, but not gas. So final qualifications are you need to be a homeowner, and if there are certain benefits that will automatically qualify you, or if you have a joint household income of less than £36,000. So what happens next? Just get in touch with us.